Is Safari not loading websites on your iPhone? This could be due to connectivity problems, outdated settings, or browser glitches. No need to stress. There are simple fixes to resolve it. Here's how to get Safari to load websites again on your iPhone. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top of the screen. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Open another app like YouTube to see if your internet connection is working. If you can't load websites, the issue might be with your internet connection. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Apps. Scroll down and tap Safari. Tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear again. Cached website data can sometimes prevent pages from loading correctly. Solution 3. Disable Safari extensions. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down to Safari. Tap Extensions. Toggle off any active extensions or remove them. Extensions may interfere with website loading if they block certain scripts or content. Solution 4. Check Date and Time settings. Go to Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Date and Time. Toggle Set Automatically to On. Incorrect date and time settings can cause problems with websites that require security certificates. Solution 5. Disable VPN or proxy. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap VPN and Device Management. Turn off VPN or proxy settings if applicable. VPNs can sometimes cause websites to fail to load properly, especially if they're region locked. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset. This will clear your Wi-Fi networks and settings but may resolve any underlying connection issues. Try these steps to fix the issue of Safari not loading websites on your iPhone. If the problem continues, don't hesitate to contact Apple support for more help.